This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to factory reset a PS4. Today I'm factory resetting a PS4 Pro, but it will be the same steps if you have the original PS4 or the PS4 Slim. So let's get started at the home screen of your PS4. Tap up on the D-pad and click on Settings on the far right. Next, click on Account Management. Then scroll down and click on Activate as your primary PS4. And click on Deactivate. Deactivating your PS4 before we start the factory reset will prevent any future issues when adding your account onto a new or factory reset console. Once you have that finished, go back to the Settings tab, scroll down to the bottom, and click on Initialization. Next, click on Initialize PS4. Here you will have two options, Quick or Full. I recommend selecting Full as this does a more thorough factory reset. But keep in mind that this can take 1 to 2 hours to complete. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like and comment if you have any questions down below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.